They don't seem to be capable of delicate work here.
You must have faith, William. Look. We have your new writing machine.
I feel very comfortable working with you.
I like that sense of camaraderie in an agent. You must be progressing. My predecessor felt you had an ambivalent relationship with him.
You mean Clark Nova?
Yes.
How is he?
He's still in the hands of our enemies. Such are the hazards of our trade.
A hazardous trade, yes.
Your report on the subversive activities of Joan Frost was a model of its type. If you continue to develop your skills as an operative, I think a top position with the CIA is not out of reach.
The CIA? You really think so?
You have the demeanor. That's something you can't buy.
CIA. CIA. Now that's a career you can really sink your teeth into. It has resonance. But giving yourself over to being a writer. Well, this stuff is very potent.
The two are very closely related.
So you boys keep telling me. Well, what's my next assignment? I'm hungry for adventure.
Excellent. You know the Swiss dandy, Cloquet?
Yeah.
And?
I think he's a faggito and won't admit it.
That ought to make it all the easier. You will seduce her, otherwise compromise Cloquet. We have it on good authority that he's our conduit to Benway.
Dr. Benway, MD, PhD.
Self-styled. He never actually made it through medical school. He runs an interesting little show here, which he calls Interzone Inc. Pretentious, if you ask me.
Benway is behind Interzone Inc.
The base of his pyramid is a drug called the black meat. The pyramid's tip
Is?
Well, we'd like to know.
Benway. Of course.
Yes.
Yes.
And he's obviously got sensational cover. He's floated in and out of the zone for years without anybody actually ever seeing him. But now the pressures are to place an agent close to him.
Me.
Assessments are being made.